this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today, I've got something that came in the mail from ZenPop. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. Not the Ramen Raider, just Ramen Raider. I know, it should just be the same across the board, but it's not. Anyways, we've got Maruchan QTTA, and this is tomato cheese cream ramen. We'll see. We will see. Hopefully it's good. God damn it. I hate pouring things. If you're playing the drinking game, down that bottle, okay? But yeah, so it's Friday, the day after Halloween. So having a chill day over here with my daughter. My son is at school. I wish my other son was at school. But yeah. So this needs 3 minutes. I've covered it now. We're all good. Turn this down a little bit. What is it? What you got, Mimi? I don't know. But yeah. Been a quick day. It's already 12 after 1. Wow, I'm way lagging. At least this only takes 3 minutes to make. Then I gotta put junk on it, but I don't know how much junk I'm actually gonna put on this one. Because bowl ready. Yeah. Minute 30 left. What are we gonna do? What do we talk about? Politics? No. Oh. Both my kids really like these chips. Oh. I cut the crap out of my finger. Blazing Buffalo and Ranch. They're kind of spicy. Honestly, it's really hard to figure out what to get them to eat. Well, I mean, I would have them eating really good stuff, but they won't. It's like, you can lead a 2-year-old the food, but you can't make them eat, you know what I mean? Mimi's alarmed. There's a dinosaur on the televisor. Couple shout outs. Hey to everybody in Instant Noodles, the Ramen Raider Facebook group. There's hundreds of you in there. That's cool. And also a shout out to Kenmore Power Outages, another group that I started. Yeah, we used to have a lot more power outages here, but alright. That chit-chatty crap is done. Okay, let's stir this stuff up. Nah, I'm just kidding. I just want to get... I'm quick running out of time to get... usually I'm about done. I've been done doing my stuff by now. Yeah. And then I gotta go get my kid in an hour and a half from now, like exactly. So, and I still gotta put her down, which is usually pretty involved, but we'll see how it goes. So this is tomato cheese cream. I wonder if that means it's tomato cream cheese. I don't know, but I don't know. These are supposed to be really good, and I've never been all that impressed with them. Some have been good. Gosh, why don't you say what it's actually called? This is cheese pizza. This is cheese pizza, for sure. Yeah. that tastes like a little cheese party pizza. I don't know what else you could say that tastes like other than that. You know, a party pizza. Like a Geno's, a Totino's. I don't know about this newfangled Tombstone stuff. I'm a child of the 80s, so. Wow, look at that. I don't know. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not. What are we gonna add? Well, there's only two things I can think of. We're gonna add some spring onion. And I could go, it's Japanese, I mean I could go with shichimi, but I think really, since it tastes like pizza, I'm going with pepper flake, yo. Well, I think that's gonna do it. And let's rotato it up. Wait. There we go. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed watching me cook this cup noodle. It wasn't bad. Not horrible. Kind of odd. And it's Friday. So with that, I bid you adieu and enjoyment of your noodles every day. Thank you. Goodbye.